Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable affiliate tracking on Amazon Associates, full guide step by step clearly. To disable affiliate tracking on Amazon Associates, start by logging into your Amazon Associates account. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Settings section found in the top menu. In the Account Settings menu, look for the option labeled Tracking ID. Click on this option to view your existing tracking IDs. Identify the tracking ID you wish to disable. Next to the tracking ID, you should see an option to edit it. Click on the Edit button next to the selected tracking ID. In the Edit screen, you'll have the option to disable the tracking ID. Select the option that allows you to disable tracking for that ID. Confirm your changes by clicking the Save button. Once saved, your chosen tracking ID will no longer be active for affiliate tracking. To verify this change, return to the Tracking ID section. You should see the status of the disabled tracking ID reflected in your list. If needed, you can create a new tracking ID for future campaigns. Remember, disabling a tracking ID will not affect previous earnings from that ID. This process ensures that your affiliate tracking is adjusted according to your preferences. You have now successfully disabled affiliate tracking on Amazon Associates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.